What if I tell you that God actually knows what we want? Like, God actually knows that we need this thing, and in the right time that He will do it. Yes, I know that it's not your first time hearing this, that you have heard so many people saying this, that God does what we want. But now, I'm a living witness. Let me tell you guys a story. Some months ago, I recorded video here on YouTube. The video here, I'm on. I was asking people to help me with a phone, that my phone is lagging, that my phone doesn't have enough storage, that some of the materials that I need for my trading journey, that I don't have it, and that I need a new phone. And I was expecting a philanthropist to come across the video and then help me. I was expecting a destiny helper, but what happened? I didn't get all of that. I gave up myself. I gave up myself because my iPhone 7, the one I'm using to record the video right now, is very bad. So I gave up myself. I was like, maybe this won't work out, because I've seen many people raise funds to pursue something and stuff like that. But I said that it's not going to work out. But God, I told myself that it's not going to work out, and I zeroed my mind. Like, I wasn't expecting any gift from anybody again, like, because it's up to like some months now and nothing happened. So let me just leave. Let me just forget about getting a new phone from anybody. So, but something happened. You guys, guess what? Something happened. Take a look at this phone. So the phone you see right now on the screen, this is a Samsung Galaxy A30, something like that. It is a gift. When, like, I've been hearing people saying that God gives hope, like God brings hope when all hope is gone. I was like, yes, it's a normal quote from the Bible. I haven't experienced it, but God, God just made me experience it. So after I recorded that video here on YouTube, and I was expecting a philanthropist, a destiny helper, to come around the video and help me, but I didn't get one. So I just took my mind off that. Whenever I make money from trading, I will just go and buy a new phone. As simple and short. But guys, when I like if you have been asking God for anything and it seems like it's taking much time, just believe in yourself that God have you in mind, okay? Because I'm just sharing a real life testimony with you guys, okay? So I met this guy, the place where I work. Some of you that have been following up my YouTube channel, you guys know that I do site work as a side hustle to back up my trading stuff. So I met this guy. Me and my guy, Mimi FX, we were working for him on the site. So he came around, and I was complaining about my phone. I was just talking. I wasn't talking to him. I was just talking randomly that my phone is giving me problem. Like, if I get a new phone, I'm going to be happy. And the guy said, I have this phone in my house I'm not using. Will you manage it? I said, I manage. So I thought the guy was kidding me. So the guy said that he's going to bring it the next day, and boom, the next day he brought the phone, bro. Bro, like, I wasn't expecting it. And then I said to myself, Cocos, this is a very big sign. This is a very big sign. This is a very big sign that God is in support of this trading stuff. Like if you have if you have 99% reasons to quit trading, to quit forex trading, just know that there is this 1%, there is this one reason that you should that should keep you pushing up and grinding harder, and that is, like, God is really supporting me, bro. Like, for me to get this phone in the market now, it will cost me around $60 or even $50 to get this phone. But God did it. God did it. So what I'm trying to tell you guys now is that, not that I've gotten to the stage that I want to be, or the height that I want to be. But what I'm just trying to tell you guys is that no matter what you're facing, no matter what you're passing through, anything you have asked God for, no matter what you have prayed to God for, and it seems like the stuff is not coming out, you just give up on yourself. What I'm trying to tell you is that don't give up on yourself. Continue pushing, and then continue believing in God. there is this popular Bible verse that we recite during our block rosary time when we were small. Matthew 7:7. Knock and you shall receive. Seek and you shall find. Something the other one, and the door shall be opened unto you. So I just asked. I don't even know that the door is ahead to be opened, and God opened it. So now my like I just have something like kind of trading setup, like with this my small phone now that I'm using to record this video now. I'll be on my MT5, and then with this one now I'll be on my trading view, bro. That's the maximum level I've achieved. So no matter this some of the basics, not that I've gotten to where I want to be, but at least, bro, I've gotten to a high that I have two materials to work with, and that's a very big milestone for me. I appreciate. So to this guy that did this for me, I don't know the guy before, we're just a random guy, but I pray that God will double his hustle and maximize his source of income, whatsoever he's doing. Pray that God will maximize it and he'll make more profit from it. So as this guy did it for me, what the promise I made to God is that as he did it for me, that tomorrow I'm going to do it for others. I'm going to do it for others. I'm going to bless other people, because I know that surely that God is going to bless me like massively, because I've suffered a lot in this life, bro. I've suffered a lot, but I know that God is going to bless me massively. Okay, so I'm going to bless others. So if you are planning on quitting, that your device is not good, that your the system you're working with is not good, don't just quit. Okay, don't just quit. Just believe that there are many people that is below you that you need to carry on. Okay, just whenever you feel like quitting, just tell yourself, if I quit now, what will happen to the people looking up to me? If I quit now, what if God has made me someone's destiny helper? Imagine you're someone's destiny helper and you quit now. So who will not help the person that you're supposed to help? So this should ring in your mind every day, because I know some popular African traders like Jeffrey Benson, Happy Forex, Kojo FX, the Forex Goats. Mention them. All of them. See, do you know why they are my motivation and my mentor? It's not because of the luxurious life they are living. It's not because of the expensive cars, the Lambo and the cyber trucks that they have, or even the big cars they are living in. That's not my motivation. The reason why they motivate me a lot is that whenever I watch their throwback, man, in fact, whenever I watch their throwback is my best motivation, because since they can do it, me too, I can do it. And since they can struggle to they reach the height they are now, you just take consistency, rise and fall. As a forex trader self, you shouldn't be afraid of failure. Failure should be when failure notice that you're not afraid of it again, failure will stop coming. Because for you to defeat failure, you have to be patient, consistent. Because as we are starting up now, you're not yet profitable, and you're telling people that you're a forex trader. They will love to see this when you're forex trading. You're trading forex where we are not even seeing the forex in you. Okay, so that is this journey will come with a whole lot of discouragement and from people who doesn't believe you know what you want to achieve it. So thank you guys for watching this video. It's up to 8 minutes now. It's quite longer. Thank you guys for sticking around to watch this video. To summarize all the whole thing I said in this video, what I'm trying to tell you is that no matter what you have asked God for, and it seems like the stuff is not coming, don't believe in yourself that it's coming. And don't expect your family member or anybody from your family to support you, like to be telling you every day that, oh, you're trying, you're going to be a millionaire. That kind of stuff will happen. So just, you know yourself and you know what you want. Keep pushing, and then keep going. Thank you guys for watching this video once again. In this my channel, where Koku's effort, in this my channel, I document my journey as a beginner trader. But now I'm not a beginner now. I'm intermediate. I'm an intermediate. Yeah. So from intermediate trader to a profitable, until I become a profitable and a millionaire forex trader. Today I'm trading with $10 in my trading account. I believe that one day I'll be trading with $50 million in my trading account, in my personal account, man. So see how massive the dream is, and I believe that God is gonna make it possible, because I'm someone's destiny helper. I got millions of people to help in this world, so that's why I got pushing. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate. If you haven't subscribed, smash the subscribe button and give a very big thumbs up on this video if you found this video encouraging and insightful. Thank you guys, and may God continue to bless you. I'm currently in a challenge of taking my $10 to $100, following a proper risk management. So that's the next video I'm going to be dropping on this channel, how my plans and strategies I'm going to be using to take my $10 to $100 in 30 days. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now, and see you guys. Bye bye. Peace.